Come test drive the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.